They are young and full of energy. They come from the Democratic Republic of Congo and from Cameroon, and are well informed about current affairs. These young adults are committed to saving the tropical rainforests in their home countries. In Cameroon, rampant industrial logging has already practically depleted the forest. If the world does not act now, the rainforest will be destroyed, and the future of these young people will be at risk. The rainforest in the Congo River Basin is the second largest in the world. It is also the home of gorillas, chimpanzees, bonobos, and forest elephants. Now the Democratic Republic of Congo faces the same fate as Cameroon. European, Asian, and US wood companies make their profits at the expense of the forest and its inhabitants.
Nous, la jeunesse africaine, nous souffrons de vos actions. Et en plus de la vente de notre bois, nous ne voyons aucun bénéfice. Alors j'aimerais mettre en alerte la Banque mondiale, demander à cette dernière de nous aider à protéger nos forêts.
40 million people live and make a living in this fertile ancient forest. It has protected them and provided them with medicines and food since time immemorial.
Nous les jeunes, nous avons remarqué que les populations autochtones qui vivent dans ces forêts n'en bénéficient pas.
An agreement with the World Bank concluded 15 years ago held out the promise of prosperity for the people of Cameroon. Vast sums of money would be pouring into the country as a result of the industrial use of the forest by foreign companies. But this promise never materialized. The average Cameroonian is still very poor. 90% of the ancient forest is now gone. The only thing that keeps rising are the levels of corruption. Marie Ngobo organizes reforestation camps in Cameroon. These camps are part of a project launched by the African organizations Senedep and CED and by Greenpeace Switzerland. Marie Ngobo's job is to raise public awareness about the selling off of the local rainforests and to take real steps against it with the help of committed youngsters.
Nous avons, depuis plus de 5 ans, travaillé dans le cadre du projet où nous avons sensibilisé des milliers de jeunes en Afrique.
After the reforestation camp in April 2007, the young camp participants decided to try something they hadn't done before. They addressed a petition to the World Bank in which they urged the bank to learn from its mistakes in Cameroon. Under no circumstances should the bank redeploy its disastrous forest usage strategy in the Democratic Republic of Congo. The activists collected the signatures in their spare time. Within a few months, they collected 42,000 signatures for a forest management that takes into account the needs of the local population and preserves the forest as a habitat for humans and animals. Ingalula Chingbangu was one of the collectors.
Alors ça n'a pas été facile d'abord pour les atteindre parce qu'ils sont à l'intérieur du pays. Vu les difficultés de transport, les difficultés de route, on n'a pas été bien accueillis aussi parce que on a eu à confronter le gens de tout âge et ça n'a pas été facile pour eux d'accepter directement nos projets. Alors on a quand même contribué et on a eu des signatures. Voilà.
The Kids for Forests had high hopes for the presentation of the signatures to the World Bank. In Cameroon, they wrote one letter after another to the people in charge, but never received an answer.
Nous vous appelons, mais vous ne nous répondez pas. Nous vous tendons la main, mais vous ne la tenez pas. Nous comptons sur vous.
The doors of the government and of the World Bank remained closed to the goals of these young people. In Kinshasa, on the other hand, capital of the Democratic Republic of Congo, nothing was decided yet.
Les jeunes ne doivent pas baisser les bras sur la situation qui se passe actuellement dans notre pays.
Their patience was rewarded. The kids received an invitation from the environment minister. This was to be their big moment. Would their words fall on open ears? At least the politicians listened attentively.
Merci beaucoup, mademoiselle.
Then the young forest protectors officially handed the petitions to a government official. But that wasn't everything. The representatives of the World Bank also took the petitions seriously. There are already critics among their own ranks. It was a fruitful discussion. From the terrace of the World Bank offices in Kinshasa, one sees the ships that carry tropical wood to Europe, where it is turned into garden furniture and hardwood floors. Hopefully, the influence of the signatures will be able to change the way these wood transports are seen.
La déforestation n'est pas seulement une affaire de jeunes, une affaire d'adultes, une affaire de responsables, mais c'est une affaire de tous.